Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School Vasai. Myself Shikta Pethe, French teacher. This video is for class 8, chapter number 9, Hier J. Video part 1. So let's begin. Lesson with Hier J meaning yesterday. J. Now what is J you will be knowing after you learn the formation for the passé composé. Now the passé composé is the grammar part in this chapter. Now what exactly is passé composé? The passé composé is used to express an action in the past. For example, meaning what does it say? It is the past tense. Okay, example, il a étudié toute la semaine. He studied whole week. He has studied whole week. Okay, now here you can see il a étudié means it has taken the avoir as well as the past participle. So what it is exactly we'll be learning how you are going to format the passé composé. Second is il a fait son travail. He has done his work. Now the formation is the passé composé is formed by conjugating the auxiliary verb. Okay, now when in English we say that I have done it, I had done it, you had done. So when you are we make use of have, had. So these are the helping verbs or the auxiliary verbs. So the in French also when you conjugate in the passé composé or the past tense, you have to make use of the auxiliary verb. So that auxiliary verb has to be either être or avoir. Okay, you cannot take both in the sentence while you are conjugating the past tense. In present tense and adding the past participle, the regular, irregular, showing the particular action. Now you have to know what is the formation of the past tense. It is the subject plus the être or avoir. It has to be conjugated in the present tense plus the past participle. Okay, the participe passé plus the object. Now the forming the past participle, that is the participe passé, the er verbs. Okay, now how are you going to take the past participle of the regular er verbs? How are you going to take the past participle of ir verbs and re verbs? It's been given here. Now for example, parler is the verb. So for doing it into past participle, what you have to take? You have to remove out the er and add egu. Okay, and the result will be parler. For IR verbs, you have to take out the IR and you have to add the I and make it as fini. For example, finir, IR has to be taken out. You have to add again then I and make it as fini. For RE verbs, what you have to do? You have to take out RE and add the U. So it becomes vendu. It is for every regular verb. Regular ER verbs, regular IR verbs and regular RE verbs, you have to follow the same form. Now the irregular verbs, this has to be memorized by you because it doesn't take the same formation as you have done for ER, IR and RE. So there is the, écrire, écrit, devoir is due, boire, bu, avoir, you, voir, view, pouvoir, pu, savoir, su, prendre, pris, apprendre, appris, mettre, mis, comprendre, compris, ouvrir, ouverte, offrir, offert, courir, couru, connaître, connu, rire, ri, faire, fait, être, été, vouloir, voulu. Okay, now example, hier ils ont vu un bon film, meaning hier is yesterday. So according to the subject pronoun il, you have to take the avoir. Okay, now you must be thinking why we are not taking être over here. Okay, now the être will be for you in the next grade. Right now you are going to only use the avoir conjugation. Clear? So it is ils ont. Now what is view? View is what? The past participle of voir. So what is the meaning of the he saw a good film? Now when you translate this into English, basically it is like he had seen the film. Okay, but it is in French they say it as past tense. We don't make use of past tense, making use of had and this. So it becomes the perfect tense. Is it clear? But in French, when you are saying the passé composé, it means it is the past tense in English. So here, even though we are making use of the auxiliary verbs, that is avoir and être, you have to make use of this in past tense, meaning ils ont vu un beau film. Instead of saying he had seen a beau film, okay, you have to say it he saw a good film. Why? Because the present, the passé composé in French meaning past tense. Clear? Now, j'ai compris cette leçon. So, instead of saying, now compris is what? The past participle of comprendre, to understand. So, he understood. I understood this lesson. So, instead of saying, I had understood, okay, so you have to say, I understood this lesson. Tu as mis tes livres ici. Tu as mis tes livres ici means you put your livre or a books here. J'ai dit la vérité au directeur means I said the truth to the director. So you this is what you are going to learn. Please learn first the formation of the passé composé. How are you going to conjugate it? It's very easy. Go from the starting, as I told you, that subject plus the avoir. Since you are having only avoir, now you have to know j'ai, tu as, il a. This will be the conjugation, and then you have to put the past participle. Is it clear? For example, here see, ils ont. What is the ils conjugation for avoir is ont, and then they have put the passé composé. Then j'ai compris, the past participle of comprendre. Me is past participle of mettre, and di is the past participle of dire. So for that you all have to learn the past participle of all the irregular verbs. Okay, so we'll be doing the next negation in the next video. Till then, à bientôt.